My channel Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name's Laura. I'm a self-taught makeup enthusiast who absolutely loves cosplay, and that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be just doing sort of a cosplay test of Mikasa Ackerman from Attack on Titan. So basically, I ordered this cosplay on AliExpress, and I'll leave the links to the products that I bought because they're all kind of separate pieces. So I'll leave links below if you're interested in checking out any of the items that I mentioned. But yeah, basically I bought this in almost the entire cosplay on AliExpress. So if you guys want to see a little bit of an unboxing, try on review, just kind of putting this cosplay together, then please keep on watching. So I have my face done, kind of doing like a cosplay test of this character and another character. So this is the look that we're going with. It's a little bit glam, but hopefully it'll come together once everything is on. So let's just put on my wig cap and then let's just put on this wig cap and then I'll talk about everything that I got. There's two things that I'm just using from my own closet. Everything else is stuff that I ordered online. So wig cap is on and mostly secure. I just had like a solid, I don't know, like 20-minute freak out because I thought that I had lost the wig that I ordered, or I thought that like maybe it wasn't delivered and I just like am misremembering. Turns out I had it, and I am too organized sometimes for my own good because I put it in a drawer where I keep my cosplay stuff and then forgot that I put it there because I had other cosplay stuff in a different place. Okay, comes in a standard Ziploc. We got like a product code, I guess, on here. It says black in Chinese. Which I can actually read because the kanji or like the characters are almost the same as in Japanese. So we open it up. So it comes in this nice Ziploc, which will be great for storing it. And it is, my lash is poking me. Okay, so this one actually has a really nice hairnet that's holding it together. Ooh, this is very soft and silky. Okay, then we got some tissue paper, just kind of holding its shape. Where's the front of the wig? Okay, I think this is it. This hair is so soft. Like, this feels like real hair. Like, after you go to the salon, get your hair done, and they put like product or something in it, like that's what it feels like. It's so soft. Okay, so we've got like some bangs at the front here, and let's just put it on and see how we're looking. And we got the usual, so it's a wefted cap. You can't see because it's dark, but anyways, it's interesting weft netting on the inside. It looks a little different than normal. I don't know if you can see. There we go. And then we got the usual straps, which I'm just gonna put into place. Okay. Oh, this is actually kind of big. Let's see if I can make this a little bit tighter. Okay, let's just move my wig cap back a little bit maybe. Oh, okay. All right, let's try and fix this because this is not flattering at all. Okay, it does kind of poof out a little bit, like not poof out, but like it's kind of got a little bit of that, like it sort of curls out a little bit. Okay, so I got this. This is really a Rukia wig from Bleach. Because her character design is actually pretty similar to Mikasa's, I thought this wig could work. I think at the beginning of the series, Mikasa's hair kind of does the same thing. This is very fake looking. Okay, let me see if I can trim it a little bit to like about maybe nose length, and hopefully that way I can cosplay both of these characters. So I finally fixed the wig, and this is what it's looking like. There's actually a bit more to this piece in the middle. I basically kind of cut layers into it. I took a pair of nail scissors. I do actually have, or my husband actually has, a pair of hair cutting scissors somewhere, but I'm lazy and I have a pair of nail scissors here. Often, like when I'm cutting my own hair, I like to use nail scissors because they're smaller. You can't get as much hair cut at a time, which means you have a little bit more control. And if you mess up a small section, it's just that, a small section. So you're probably not even going to notice it. So I like to do that. And also, like, if I'm styling a wig, I'm still very new to styling wigs, but I like to work in small sections, so it's just easier to do it with that. But yeah, I probably could use hair cutting scissors. As I mentioned, I want to be able to use this wig for as many characters as possible. So I don't want to customize, like especially this little piece in the front, I don't want to customize it too much so that it becomes too much like one character and I can't really use it for other ones. Really, like the main two characters that I'd be using this wig for are Rukia and Mikasa. Because both of them kind of have a similar hairstyle, they definitely both have this little piece in front. I wanted to keep the shape because the shape was perfect, but for Mikasa, her little, it's not even like bangs, it's just like this little piece in front. Hers is a lot shorter, it kind of falls to around eye level, forehead-ish sometimes, whereas Rukia's kind of goes down to like her mouth. So what I was thinking was, where is that other piece? Like here, I can just kind of pull other parts of hair and then kind of, okay, that's not really working. But anyways, I can basically like pull down more bits of hair, maybe like even, here we go, like, you know, parts like this to do Rukia, something, I don't know, something kind of like this, whatever. And then I kind of have like a longer piece, whatever, I would fix it, but not doing that right now. Whereas for Mikasa, I can have kind of a smaller piece like this. I just messed everything up. It was really nice before. And then just move these pieces out of my eyes. You can still see my eyebrows a little bit. Most of that is covered by the wig. And then if I wanted to do a character who doesn't have that piece, I can just kind of brush the hair to the side like this, and it sort of looks like I have side bangs. So, okay, with all that out of the way, some parts of the cosplay are like, you know, sort of official cosplay like pieces, like very much like I ordered, you know, the Survey Corps like cape thing, and you know, the that harness that they wear and whatnot. Some things, like they all seem to wear like a white button down. I just ordered a white button down. I've got her red scarf that, like, the listing said that it was her red scarf, and then here it just looks like it's just a nice cashmere scarf, so that'll be nice. Really, the thing that I'm most nervous about is the harness. So it actually comes with instructions, and I watched a review of, I can't even remember what it was, but it was like someone was putting together an Attack on Titan cosplay or something, and it took them like 20 minutes to figure out how to put this whole thing together. I'm gonna talk about that once I figure out how to put that on. It comes with handy instructions with photos, which is very, very helpful. And then for the pants, I have this pair of white leggings. I figured I would just wear those instead of ordering like a pair of pants that like I probably won't wear. I already have these, so I figure I might as well wear them. I've got black thigh-high boots that I figured I might as well also just wear those. Got this nice white blouse. And you know what? I'm just gonna get dressed, I think, and then I'll talk about everything after. So when I come back, I will be fully in costume, hopefully. Okay, I'm back. It took like 2 hours to do. Oh, I still did not get the harness right. I have no idea how to put this stupid fucking thing on. I'm very frustrated. I'm sure there's a way. There are so many straps and things, and there aren't great instructions. And I feel like there is a step missing, or the instructions are for like not this particular version of the harness, or just the instructions aren't written very well. Like, I'm very confused and really pissed off, to be honest. But this is the final look. I think it actually looks really good. let's talk about this cosplay. The harness is really, really difficult. I honestly wish it was just one connected piece and then you can buckle it and adjust it as needed. So I would probably give it like a 2 out of 5 just because of difficulty. The quality is pretty good though. So like the quality, I'd probably bump it up to like a 4.5 out of 5. Like it's not real leather. It'll probably fall apart eventually. This harness, I hate it. I really, really hate it. It's really, really difficult. I wish it was just one single piece because literally I tucked in like, I don't know if you can see like all of these pieces here. I just tucked into the belt, which by the way, the belt is a separate piece, which I don't understand why. It should just be one piece. I feel like it's like higher quality because it is separate pieces and you have to fit them all together. But like, honestly, this is so complicated. And for like the average cosplayer, like I don't, like how are you supposed to figure out how to do this? Like I was watching YouTube tutorials and it was still kind of confusing. Like I feel like I would need someone else to help me put this on. Like so complicated. I feel like maybe one day I might figure out how to like put it all together, but if I was wearing this to a convention, I would be like freaking out, not knowing how to put this together, and like probably I would splurge on a mannequin just to figure out how to like thread everything through, and it's just a mess. Okay, so I tried really hard to put this together and I cannot figure out how to do it. I tried following the instructions and then kind of got lost around step 2 or 3. And then I tried some YouTube tutorials that helped a little bit, but just like attaching everything together, it's just very confusing. I really don't understand. The scarf is really, really nice. I don't know if this is real cashmere. I don't know what real cashmere feels like, but it's really, really nice quality. Like I would wear this as just a regular scarf. It's really cute, but because I bought it for this cosplay, like I don't know if I'm gonna wear it out just because I want to keep everything for the cosplay together and I don't want to ruin any of the pieces because I don't know how good quality it is, like how long lasting it is. Let's talk about the blouse, which I think I already got some lipstick on. The blouse is really, really nice. I wish it was like maybe a little bit roomier in the chest because lately I just seem to be popping out of all of my shirts. But it's honestly, it's pretty good. It's stretchy. It feels nice. The sleeves are like weirdly large. Hold on, let me just take off a sleeve from my jacket to show you. Like the sleeves just feel like weirdly roomy. Like here, let me, like, I don't know, that just seems kind of weird. I just bought a regular blouse, by the way. I didn't buy one like specifically for this cosplay. I mean, like I did, but like I didn't buy like a blouse that's like as part of the cosplay. I just bought like a white women's blouse. This jacket is really nice. I wish it was kind of more of like a khaki material. It's like a weird, like a flag kind of material or like something like that type of sort of industrial, like weird synthetic material. I think it does the part. Like it looks really good, I think. The color might be a little bit off, but it's super cute. Like I would actually, you know, wear this as an outfit. Obviously not with the harness, but like I would consider wearing this as an outfit because the jacket is super, super cute. I'm just wearing like white leggings for the pants. So that was just from my closet. And then again with the like sort of cape or like cloak almost. It's also like a really weird material. I was sort of hoping it would be like, I mean, I wasn't expecting it to be amazing material, but like I was sort of hoping it would be more of maybe like a raincoat material or like something. I mean, this isn't, yeah, I guess it's kind of the same material. And then we have like this, I think this is the Survey Corp logo, same as on here, just on the back. Like it looks like it's screen printed, like it's just like, it's almost like a sticker that was like ironed on or something, so I don't expect that to last, whereas this is actually a patch sewn on, so I kind of wish it was a patch sewn on here as well, just for, you know, longevity's sake. And then normally I'd be wearing thigh-high boots, like just from my closet. I don't have brown ones, I only have black ones, but it's fine. So my ratings for all of these, The wig, I give a solid 5 out of 5. I think it's pretty good. We'll just do a quick weft check. I think as long as I don't move, you shouldn't be able to see the wefts, but I think it is pretty thin. Like if I just move the hair a little bit, like I can already feel the wefts. But the quality of the wig itself, I think, is really great. The scarf is excellent. I give it a solid 5 out of 5. The jacket is like weird material, but otherwise feels like it's good quality. And we got the like sort of screen printed or whatever logo on the back, whereas the packages are sewn on the side. I give it like a 4.75 out of 5 for that. And same for the cloak as well, like same comment. Blouse, I give it a 5 out of 5. It's pretty good. And then the harness, I think in total, I'd probably give it like a 3 out of 5 just because of difficulty and the fact that the instructions didn't really help. So I'm definitely gonna have to like figure this out a bit more, but so far everything else is pretty good. So I'm mostly happy with this. One more thing I'll mention about the blouse. The buttons end over here and there's still like quite a bit of shirt, which is kind of weird, but otherwise it's still a pretty good shirt. So no further complaints. I guess just like want to wear something underneath the shirt just so that I'm not like showing my midriff to people if I wore this to work or something. Or I guess I'd wear like high-waisted pants and then just tuck the shirt in. Just kind of a weird choice, I guess. As I probably mentioned in the beginning, and I'll probably mention this in the title of this video as well, this is a cosplay test. I really want to get into more cosplay this year, so I'm really trying to challenge myself and push myself to really like do the best I can. These cosplay test videos are sort of a way to be able to track my progress, and then also for me to be able to like go back and see like what worked, what didn't work, and also just see if cosplay is something that I want to pursue further as a hobby. So I'm just sort of like dipping my toes in it now, and I enjoy it, but it's a lot of work, so I just kind of like want to see if it's something I want to continue doing. Figured might as well just share it here because it is sort of part of my makeup journey, so it sort of fits with my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you are in the cosplay world and have any like tips or just want to like connect, that would be cool. Also, feel free to comment below if you have any like feedback for me, because this is all like, I guess it's not new. I have done cosplay before, but like a long time ago, and I'm only getting back into it now. So I am very rusty, and my makeup skills, like my day-to-day makeup skills, have improved a lot. So I'm sort of seeing where it takes me with cosplay, because I'm into special effects makeup as well. So cosplay just seems sort of like a logical, maybe not a logical next step, but just like a logical pairing with kind of like glam makeup and special effects makeup and cosplay makeup. So if you're into cosplay, if you like Attack on Titan and you want to be friends, feel free to hit me up. I've got all my socials in the description box below. And also just if you want to see more cosplay content or just more like bold makeup and fashion content. I post a lot of extra content from the videos that I do here. I'll share other related content on my other social media, so if you like the stuff I post here, you'll probably like the stuff I post there, so I'd love it if you could give me a follow. And if you enjoy the content that I post here and you want to see more, I'd love it if you could subscribe and turn on notifications, and that way you'll get updated every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.